Lions Club of Hyderabad, Greenlands. It is a proud privilege of Lions Club of Hyderabad, Greenlands to present the success story of our service project, the Plastic Surgery Camps. This is a signature project of our club. These camps have created a lot of enthusiasm and impact in our club's success and has been a sustainable success story. Plastic surgery is a super specialty and is very expensive and beyond the reach of a common man. The surgeries undertaken are for children born with cleft lip and cleft palate, patients suffering with postborn contractures, congenital defects like fused fingers of the hands, including some rare surgeries. These are only corrective surgeries, not cosmetic surgeries, and only for the poor and deserving. Children born with cleft lip and cleft palate are unable to suck mother's milk. If the defect is large, mostly children die because of milk and fluids going into their lungs, while with those born with small defects survive but suffer from malnutrition and delayed growth. Burns caused by bursting of pressure stove, electrical burns and acid burns lead to contractures when they heal and the results in deformities, making them handicapped. With the noble intention of helping such victims, we, Lions Club, have taken up this project. More than 3,000 surgeries have been performed free of cost and free of medicine. Food for patients and attendants was provided. These surgeries have been conducted in our country by a team of doctors of Mercy Mission, Detroit, USA, under the leadership of Line Dr. Sudarshan Reddy, a plastic surgeon, and Line Dr. Bhavani Prasad Gurupati, the anesthesiologist. We were also able to conduct these camps in Bangladesh and Jaffna, a war-torn area of Sri Lanka, with the help of Smile Bangladesh, team led by Dr. Sahid Aziz from USA, New York. These doctors and nurses take leave from their work schedule and not only spend for their travel expenses but also take due care and provide for medical and surgical supplies needed for the surgeries and spend around 25 to 50 lakhs for each trip. From the club, arrangements are made for hospital facilities, pooling of patients, local stay and food, etc., which is also quite expensive. However, we have been lucky that some very generous well-wishers like Sri Kamineni Surya Narayana Garu, the chairman of Kamineni Hospitals, and Line B Bhaskar Rao Garu, MD of KIMS Hospital, have been of great help in providing their hospital, doctors and staff. A girl with a postborn contracted vagina was operated and vagina was reconstructed and recanalized, because of which she could live a happy married life and give birth to children, which is a very proud moment for a woman. Of a teenage girl, Bhagya Lakshmi, with thick hairy growth on almost half of her face, because of which she used to cover her face and was not able to get married. A boy in Bangladesh was living for almost 20 years with the absence of half nose wall, was operated and reconstructed. Now his nose is normal. Raju, an 8-year-old from Nizamabad, came to the camp with a disfigured face and burnt eyelids and was not able to close his eyes. His face was so scary that the school children were afraid to sit with him in the class. He used to quietly sneak into the class after all the children and sit at the back. Now, after the reconstruction of eyelids, he is able to close his eyes and able to sit in the first bench and coming first in the class. Fatima was a victim of acid attack. She was attacked with acid by her uncle when she refused his sexual advances. The face and chest was completely disfigured and burnt. We corrected her ear and mouth. Now we are trying to help her family with livelihood by providing money for setting up a tiffin center.
हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम फातिमा है। मेरा ऑपरेशन फ्री करें और मेरे को अच्छा दिख रहा और मेरे को दवा भी फ्री दिए और रमज़ान में राशन भी दिए और हमारे घर वालों को कारोबार के लिए पैसे भी दिए और आगे भी मदद करते बोले। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
Saraswati, aged 24 years, was working as an ASHA health worker. As a toddler, she fell into fire and burned her face and hands. Her nose was burnt and was able to breathe only through 2 tiny holes. Particularly, both the hands were dysfunctional. We were able to correct her nose and hands.
నా పేరు సరస్వతి. చెయ్యి ఎలాగుండేది, చిన్న టైం అప్పుడు కాలిపోయింది. హైదరాబాద్ లైన్స్ క్లబ్ ద్వారా తెలుసుకున్నాను. సర్జరీ అయిందండి, ఫ్రీగానే అయింది. ఎంతో డబ్బులు అవుతుందని చాలా ఇబ్బంది పడ్డాము. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చాక ఇక్కడ డబ్బులు ఏం తీసుకోలేదు.
మా బాబు పుట్టుకతో దోశతో జన్మించారు. శ్రీకాకుళం జిమ్స్ హాస్పిటల్లో ఉచితంగా ఆపరేషన్ అవుతుందని అన్నారు. లయన్స్ క్లబ్ హైదరాబాద్ యాజమాన్యంతో, అమెరికా డాక్టర్లు జిమ్స్ హాస్పిటల్ యాజమాన్యంతో మాకు సహాయ సహకారాలు అందించడం జరిగింది. చాలా మీకు ధన్యవాదాలు సార్.
Year after year, we, the Lions Club of Hyderabad Greenlands, are able to perform these surgeries free of cost with the noble idea of helping the needy, which is giving immense pleasure and satisfaction to the members of the club, doctors, also the patients. Now, here I conclude our success story. Thank you.